Assalamualaikum. Hello guys.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. So guys, today we are gonna make a volcano. So guys, my thing is that we need to put water and dishwasher.
So guys, today we'll do a science experiment. We'll make a volcano erupt. And so to erupt we need four things. We need vinegar, we need baking soda, we need water and dishwasher. So and we need spoons also to blend it. So guys, let's get started. And so guys, I made this volcano by a cardboard. I made a cardboard round, and these are not like cement type. These are tissues, as you can see here. There are tissues, little tissues, and I made the tissue hard by putting glue on them. So now, as you can see, it's hard, and I painted them to look like a volcano.
And guys, I helped my brother putting the rocks. I really love how I created and helped my brother for his science activity.
For my science project, I made this volcano smoked. Like smoke was coming out of this volcano. So now let's get started for the science experiment.
First, we'll put a little water.
We'll put a little water.
Tell me where to stop.
Okay.
Okay.
So we put.
Now I'll put the dishwasher.
It's opened. We should put only one drop of dishwasher. More than one drop.
Yeah.
Little more. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
So now Hania will mix the this
Ingredients.
things. Yes. I don't know what to call it. Mix it well. Okay. That's enough.
Bubbles.
So guys, as you know, for the explosion we need some baking powder.
There is a soda powder.
Baking soda. I mean, not powder. Soda. We'll put one full scoop of baking powder. Okay. Ow, I spilled a little.
You spilled all my precious rock.
Oh no, that's no problem.
That's a big problem.
Nah, I don't care. I don't really think.
Now should I mix it again?
No, I will mix it.
No, I mix.
Okay, you mix.
One time I mix, now you done. It's time for the final thing.
The big boss of this experiment.
Explode.
The vinegar.
Yeah. Let's do it.
It will explode fast.
I don't want it on.
I'll do a little there.
I don't want it on my face. Smells good. Actually, wow! So much.
That's a waterfall. That's what I call a waterfall. I'm gonna put one. Oh, we have to clean this also. That will be a big mess. Do you want more?
Yeah! It's so little.
Oh, I think it stopped.
Let's put some more vinegar.
Oh wait, why is bubbles not allowed? Oh! Into your table. Okay. Okay, this much is okay. So, do you guys like this experiment? Guys, do you like this messy experiment? If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
and comment your suggestions
below. And please tell your comment for this experiment. Please try this at your home and just be careful because it will be a big mess.
Yeah.
So bye guys and
Allah Hafiz.